Jai Swaminarayan, myself Kumudini Nalaude, and we are taking the information about our fourth great monument, right? So let's start. It is the Arc de Triomphe in Paris. It is one of the world's best monument. It is an iconic symbol of French national identity. Took 30 years to build. Okay, so see here it is very beautifully symbol, and it is in France. Okay, so it takes near 30 years to build. The annual military parade marking July 14, known both for French National Day and the Bastille Day, begins its journey from this arch. Okay, Napoleon first commenced the Trumpe Arc after the great victory celebrated military achievement of the French armies. So everyone know about the Napoleon, the great warrior. Okay, so after his great victory he commenced this beautiful arch. Okay, so it is the symbol, iconic, or we can say pride of the France. Now next thing, that is colson. This one, fifth one. Okay, so let's see about this. And Flavian giant amphitheater, it is oval in shape, it is amphitheater, and it is very giant. uh, do you know how many spectacles can sit at once, at one time here? 50,000 at one time. How many? 50,000. Okay, and in the it is named as its name is associated with the family of Flavians. Okay, the amphitheater watches 100 days. 100 days there will be game. So it is the fighting of mans with the in mans, and I think so many hundreds of fighters or warriors are there. So most of the time there is fighting between the warriors, or there the fighting between lions or cruel animals with the human beings. Okay, so due to some earthquake, its part is damaged, but it is till now it is iconic symbol of Rome architecture. Okay, then last one, it is the Stonehenge Wiltshire in the UK. So we don't know exactly why it is built. This structure that is made up of stones, but what is the purpose we don't know, but it is the unique. Okay, Stonehenge is located in Wiltshire, England, and it is amazing specimen prehistoric architecture, which is why it is included in which is why it is included in UNESCO's World Heritage Sites. Originally, it was enclosed by the made of stones, excavated stones, but presently it remains are left. It is believed that stones was named after the tribes living. It is named of the leader of the tribes living around it. The structure is about 5,000 years old. It was made up of mixing two type of stones, that is saracens and blue stones. A complex understanding of mathematics and geometry was used in this construction. Joints were used to add small stone standing on standing stone, which are commonly used as a woodwork. Then this is about these landmarks. Now I think when you heard about this, or you can see these things, see these monuments on the YouTube, you get better interesting facts about it. Okay, and then you eagerly want to visit it. Okay, in life you have opportunity, you definitely go and see it. Okay, it is very interesting. So let's start our next chapter. Tribes of the words. So, before starting our chapter, see here, I think most of the students have visited from one state to, so we are living in Gujarat, right? Our state is Gujarat now. So, if most of the students have visited the other state, that is Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, then Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, right? So, have you seen something different from us? Their mother tongue, then their costumes, then we can say their lifestyles, right? No? So, it is the some peoples are there who study about this uh, different cultures of different states, or we can say the different countries. Okay, so here in this chapter they we will study about some tribes of the world. They are so ancient, but still they are unique. There is some speciality in them. They are human beings just like us, but they are the tribes. That means they are not changed with the some changes, that is we are going to change our modern things and accepted some scientific or modern things, but these people are on their own traditions. So, but they are unique and they have some speciality in them, so we have to study about their lifestyle, about their uniqueness. Fine. So let's see what about these tribes. Okay. So first of all we will see what is the tribes. Tribes is a group of people that have the same language, customs, and that have the leaders. Okay, they have, it is the group of people, they have the group of people having same language, okay, and same customs will be there. Okay, so first of all we will see the Masai. So Masai people are found in Kenya. Masai are the extraordinary people, with an even more extraordinary culture. Their culture is also extraordinary. They have lived in the areas of Tanzania and Kenya for the hundreds of years ago. They graze their precious cattle in both countries even today. Masai are great in number and nearly in about the lakhs. Okay, their language is called Ma. The name of Masai means the people who speak Ma. Okay, their cows are their lives. A great herd of cattle is a great sign of wealth. They are nomads and they hunt lions. They display the great courage and strength. They independently means one man can independently hunt the lion. So courageous and strengthful these peoples are. They have unique dress codes. They just wrap themselves with black and red oral squares, red sheets, and sometimes square blue. The ladies wear more jewelry made up of local craft materials. Get it? So there is speciality in this type of group of peoples, and we see what is the strength between them. They have the power, they have the strength to fight with lions. Okay, so let's take the next one, that is Zawara in India. The Zawara are one of the tribes in Andaman and Nicobar Island. According to their tradition, so there are they have also Masai people have some tradition, and this Jawara people has also tradition. Their tradition is sometimes some traditions are so cruel. So see here what is their tradition. According to this tradition, a child's mother became a widow. So cruel rules are there. They are originally content. They are the original content of Africa. People of Jawara get married in the teenage age. Okay, they are very fond of singing and dancing, and they have their own traditional way of dancing and singing with their instruments. Okay, but they have the high immunity and best knowledge